Good day, everyone. Learn how to add an email in Outlook. So it will be a very easy and straightforward process, and we will be able to add email. So firstly, we will open the Outlook, and at the left-hand side, we will have an account option where we can click on Add Account. Then we need to enter the account which we want to log in. So I'll mention my email, and then I'll click on Continue. Once you click on continue, it will ask you to how exactly you want to sign in. So I'll select use my password, and then I'll just try to enter the password. Once I have entered the password, I'll click on sign in, and it will ask you to verify your identity, and once you're done, you just need to move forward and you will be able to log into your email in Outlook. So this is how you can set up a new email or existing email in Outlook. And if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.